Hello friends, a very good evening to everyone, and today I'm back again in order to tell you a very important rule or principle to get successful in your interested areas. So what is that? That is the one thing. And I learned this from the book The One Thing by Gary Keller. Yes, what is this one thing usually? Yes, our parents or our elder ones tell us to concentrate on what we are doing. Why? Because in order to get successful in that particular area, we should concentrate only on that one thing rather than going for any other things or rather than distracting from that particular thing. Because you have a goal in your mind. For suppose take me as an example, I have a goal in my mind that I want to become a very successful or a very great classical dancer. So what I need to do, my focus completely should be on that dancing, in learning dance. Every day I should give almost my 100% focus on that. Then only I can become a legendary in that classical dance. Yes, it is 100% true, because whatever the goals you have, you should give your 100% on that. If we are giving our 100% on that, then we'll come to know like what we need, like what is very important to our career or to our lives. Because when we are giving our 100%, when we could give our 100% only when it is very important or only when it is our prior goal, then only we can give our 100%. So in that way, so we'll come to know what is really important to us. Yes. So if I am interested in dancing, and again if I started singing, like if I started training on singing as well, so I cannot able to concentrate on both of the things. Yes, I will be an average on dancing and singing. Yes, you can learn singing once you are expertise in your first priority. Once you get expertise in your dancing, then you can go for the other skill and you can start practicing that. But the one thing is very important in order to get successful in your interested areas, whatever it may be. For example, take Sachin Tendulkar. He is legendary in cricket. Why not in basketball, or why not in football or anything? Because his 100% concentration is on cricket. The one thing he has is just the cricket, only the cricket. That's why he became legendary in that particular one thing. So likewise, we need to give our 100% only on one thing rather than going for any other multiple things. Yes, if we don't have that one thing in our mind, there won't be any balance in your life. Just forget about your balance in your life. Yes, if we are concentrating on many other things, what happens ultimately is, even though if you have a willpower, learning some multiple things or going for the multiple things results you to drop down that willpower. You won't get expertise in even any of the skills. That's okay. If you want to be just okay on everything, you can go for multiple things. But if you want to be successful in any one particular area, be that the only thing for you, and concentrate or give your 100% on that particular thing. And whatever you do, that should be your only one thing in your life. Then only you will get successful in your particular thing. Yes, that doesn't mean like every day we do some yogas or some exercises in order to become fit, right? So that is all something different, just to be fit or just to be healthy and all. Please don't mix all those things with whatever the goals you have. Okay, the goal is nothing but the only one thing which you are giving your 100% concentration in order to become successful. Okay, so this is what I just want to give you, a very simple rule or principle. If we follow this thing, definitely we'll become a very successful people in our interesting areas. So if you really want to become a successful person, be concentrate on only the one thing. Yes, thank you so much.